Ahee, namukela nakambe ka Masita Xitsonga analyst. Channel. Yeah, of course, I'm today I like several press rangane. And then of course I can tell like Daniel, of course, waka team Shirimane. Yeah. So kasi of course at the 4th August no fan hlamala ulu fan ngena ka account ya several press rangane, as you can see. Leo original ulu fan ngena fan kuma ku. So account loko yi ri logged, of course I can tirhisa Facebook app leya ya original. A wu koti ku ba screenshot la or ku record, that's why yi kombe blank kwala, so I had to use my browser ya Chrome, ni nghena hi Chrome. Ka Chrome hi kona at least ni kota ku va ni ba screenshot la no record kona. Hi kona mhaka leyiwa yi ta continue video mara dani kha ni tirhisa ti screenshots. The account is logged, as you can see. Look, what? Really? Ni tlhela ni nghena hi fake account ya mina leyin'wana. As you can see, we can get one account. We can see what it's logged. So we're logged, of course. So only his friends can see what he post on his account. Then go obviously you got 4,000 something. One Facebook maximum 5,000 friends. So the followers can get to one and show. So what's happening, because this account is big. In fact, this account is bigger than page Raspada President. As you can see, you got the followers 52,000. As you can see. So if you can check out his page, I'm getting a page as you can see there, only around 48,000 followers. So his account is bigger than the page. And the Shinga I post a page rayon, as you can see. The last time we posted the 11th of January, so no one shunga project on album yingan. So no one shunga look up in an account yona. Laying more influence compared to the pages, and maybe because it's possible you look again account away. So if because honestly speaking, this account your business actually makes sense if log so because you gonna like I update compared to the page as you can see. I updated at 11th of January, we updated, as you can see. So another one, as you can see, that much you take a page, as you can see, Shakali saves taking. So the I can update of course, account ya yona liwa. So unfortunately shinge go to one chum because he look win. So seva presaranga na ishilungezi if maybe error, because I want to hlanganeni at all. So listen one, so I was like, oh, this is shocking, what's happening. And then of course claim ya kadlanyoka. So on the previous update mega mahleka da idlanyoka shikwate kushwa. Of course like Harry logo Dr. Joshua, of course and a project mara ku ya update, and of course I kombisa ku va conglomerate va n'wi an offer ku va ta n'wi ndlela a project. So no vona hi video a kha chayeliwa hi hlavo, as you can hear kwala. Ayana Shatoro is good, because also that support the Demon Volantes is very, very good. So conglomerate, of course, could have sponsor Sha Sausikiza. Listen, so she make us go back catch a low. They might have also in a power shen. So based on posting one of the guides, I left Gomale, which I rank Gomale could mix a joke. So we know that the statement we can see with Shram Sanalan of Yama Famba show his project, of course, it and Lua and then Dr. Jesherman, of course, he tell I should mix and say, oh, material Tim Shiraman say, Mavona Lama, Adam Zelula Total, but if go the way connector 1 and 2, you will see what's happening. Mara high arrays as long as I'm Serin Stash Lungin, Yahushon Commissioner Monte. Look, I'm going to subscribe.